I'm Amelia. It's Girl Scout cookie season, and today we will make a shake out of the most popular Girl Scout cookie, the Thin Mint. So you'll need some Thin Mints, half a box of Thin Mints, 1 cup of milk, 6 cups of vanilla ice cream, and 1 can of whipped cream. So first, you will take your half your Thin Mints. And Will, do you want to put them in? Okay, put the Thin Mints in.
Pour them in?
Yeah.
Like, I'm supposed to take turns.
Alright, you can. First.
Okay.
Just pour all of them in.
Now's your turn.
All of them in. Just pour all of them. Now you can do the milk. I'll take it first. Pour the milk.
In what? In here?
And Amelia can do the ice cream.
I have to do the ice cream.
It will be messy.
So.
Okay.
It looks like a cloud. It looks like a cloud. It looks like a cloud. Why do it
Okay,
look like
so the Thin Mints are in there.
And strange. No, the sound. I better run.
Okay, so now we will. Oh wait, we're gonna get a spoon, and you're gonna kind of poke it down in there. The ice cream, vanilla ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
Okay, so put the top on it.
I got ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream.
Okay.
Ice cream.
So now we will start the blender
I got the red.
and blend it.
I got to run.
No.
Yes. Got to run. Got to run. I'm going to cover my. Ready. Out to press. Out to press.
Okay, press that button right there. Oh wait, it's on. Okay. So put it on 3, Will. 3. Looks about done. So we are going to.
It looks like chocolate ice cream.
We're going to.
It looks like chocolate.
We're going to try the Thin Mint shake. So.
I have to taste.
Wait.
Oh, we got to do the. Oh.
This is what the whipped cream is for.
You need to get it in. Could I mush it in?
Not yet. Okay.
Come
So,
on, Mama.
get your straws.
The straw.
And let's try it. Let's try the good ice cream. Okay, you can put your straw in. It tastes like a minty shake. It tastes like a milkshake, a thin mint milkshake. That's what it tastes like. It just tastes like a shake with chocolate and mint. It just tastes like it's good. Is it good, Will? How do you like it?
It's cool.
Okay. I hope you liked this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye, your Girl Scout cookies.